So we have front bumper. It's a bit dirty, that's why I've got the jet wash out. So we're gonna clean that all up nicely. Here we go. Watch this. Look at that. I mean, even a matchstick is stronger than this. You know what I mean? It's completely gone. So that's why we're leaking fluid. Now that's what the normal clamp should look like. Yeah. What's up, guys? Hope you're keeping well. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be some parts going on the Civic Type R. I wasn't really going to film this, to be honest, because it's nothing too exciting or whatever, but as I said, I do want to document everything so you guys can see this car evolving, if you know what I mean. But yeah, there's some exciting stuff to come. There's a lot more than what I'm just showing you now, and today we're just going to really do the front bumper, rear bumper and grille, because if you look on the Type R, you can see how this corner looks very saggy and that one looks, you know, a little bit better. So yeah, hopefully that'll sharpen that up, because as I mentioned in my other videos, the bumper I think has something broken on it. I think this car might have even had a small little bump, you know what I mean? So it's one of them where we need to replace it and get it done. Now the parts themselves, I mentioned this in the last video or the video before, I actually got decent parts from a company called On a Mission on Facebook, which I'll put, you know, a link in the description, and I'll probably put it on the screen here. And yeah, basically he hooked me up. So yeah, I do want to give him another shout out, because I'll show you the parts that I've got off him. And you can go check him out, guys. You know, give him some support. You know, tell him that Mark 4 Evan sent you there. You know, I've sent you guys there. He'll probably remember me, because I bought a mountain of parts, so he will remember me. But yeah, I'll show you guys what we've got for the Civic. So we have a front bumper. I'll probably come out on the camera here. Front bumper, it's a bit dirty. That's why I've got the jet wash out. So we're gonna clean that all up nicely. And I was quite lucky, because this bumper actually came with a little splitter at the bottom. So yeah, that's a little added extra. Grille, decent grille, because most of these are broken. Yeah. And obviously the rear bumper. Now this here wasn't something I was really after. I was probably just gonna paint mine, but you know, On a Mission had one in stock, so I just thought, you know what, I'll just get it. Because if you look at mine, there's a bit of paint peel on here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might not change that. I might actually just keep it as a spare or something. But yeah, guys, let's get on with that. I'll wash these quickly and then we can start replacing these. Right, let's get started. Oh yeah, so first clips. Was actually that. Let's get that in that position. And there is our front bumper. Right, so that is front bumper off there, obviously. And looking at this, you can see what someone was trying to do here. They were trying to stick this bumper onto here, which is not a good way to do it. So yeah, we'll probably now I'm gonna try and investigate that coolant leak that I've been having for a while. So off camera, I'm gonna have a quick peep at that. And then we'll just get that other front bumper on. I'm pointing at that one. We'll get that one back on here. Hopefully it's only something minor, like a clamp or something. And yeah, crack on with that. Right, so here is our investigation, guys. As you can see, here is our coolant, right? So if you know, I've mentioned this a couple of months ago. It's coming. Let me try and get the camera in there. It's coming from, if you look in here, this clamp is broken, yeah? So it's actually leaking from this position here. So if you look now, guys, I've just broken this clamp, yeah? You can see the piece is hanging here at the top. This piece here, yeah? Literally, watch this. Look at that. So that's the reason why this is leaking, because as soon as I've taken that off, it's just even got worse. Look at that. It's literally just disintegrating. Look at that. So there's our problem. That thing. So we'll get another one on there, fresh one, clean that up, and we should be good to go. Right, so look at this, guys. Yeah, so this was the clamp that was on there. I mean, literally, look at it. I mean, even a matchstick is stronger than this. You know what I mean? It's completely gone. So that's why we were leaking fluid. Now, that's what the normal clamp should look like, yeah? So you can just see how much it's deteriorated. But yeah, that's the common problem with these cars, guys. So if you do buy a Civic Type R EP3, make sure you just replace these, because you're going to end up with that. Yeah, our clamp is on. My God, was that a mission? So you can see I've just put this one, guys. I was gonna put the Jubilee, but you know what, I thought I'll just put the proper one, which is the original Honda one. So we've got that one that's there, and I've just replaced the one at the top as well, because I thought I'm not having this happen again. So top it up with our fluids, start it up, see how it does. And those fans are spinning now, as you can hear. You can see them spinning away there. Just stopped now. So that means our cooling system is not affected. All these pipes are all right. There's no more leaks underneath the car, guys, so you can get on with the bumper now. Right. Hold in. Well, that's exciting. Right, here we go. Jack the car down nicely, and then we can really have a look at it. Right, time for the rear bumper now. Oh, yeah. Right, that's back bumper off. I mean, look at this bar. Look at how bad that is. Yeah, that is completely gone. This is cracked as well, if you look there. So, yeah, I don't know. I might have to try and source one of these. But, yeah, we'll come back to this at a later stage for sure. Yeah, that's how that looks like. Right, guys, bumpers, the golf parts are in the back of there. So there we go. We have a better bumper on there for sure. I mean, it's got a mark on it there, but you know, you can't get a perfect bumper these days unless it's resprayed. But yeah, guys, that's how Civic is looking. So yeah, guys, there we have it. That front bumper is on. The car's got its rear bumper on as well, as I've just shown you in the little cinematics there. So yeah, it is getting somewhere, this car. We've got those couple of bits and pieces done. Rest now, guys, will probably be, well, that bumper bar, we want to sort that rear bumper bar out because it's worse than I actually thought. And the radiator, I don't know, I think we may still have a leak. I'm not sure. I might just change the whole thing out. But pretty much after that, that's all the repairs done, I think. It'll be mods more. So yeah, keep an eye on the next couple of videos. Next video will probably be sorting the radiator or whatever else out, the last odds and sods. And then we can move on to, you know, performance mods. You know, I got a lot of mods that need to go on this car. So this is just the beginning. Just getting the car right and looking right is the first step, yeah. So we've got that done. So yeah, I'll catch you guys up on the next video and we'll see what the plan of action is next. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Cheers. Bye.